All right, so for this option, you will be given the choice to either create a blog or a vlog. So if you like to write or if you like to make videos and speak, this would be the option for you. Instead of picking Natasha or Daniel for this option, you're actually going to be exploring a minor character from our novel, and you're going to be creating a blog or a vlog for them. Think of it as a type of diary or journal. This blog or vlog and the posts are created from the perspective or point of view of that character. So, first thing we'd like you to do is research what blog or vlogs look like. So, you're we provided some links here for you to get you guys started. And then we'd like you to name and design your blog or vlog. So you can click this link, and that's going to give you an example of that. And this whole project, you're going to be creating a life for this character outside of the novel. So we'd like you to write or record 7 blog posts or vlog posts and include an About Me page for at least one of them. So only one of which will take place in the time frame of the book. So the other 6 will be dealing with the before and or the after the novel, whichever you decide to explore. So we would like you to incorporate this outside source right here, whoop, right there, within your piece. So you can do this by quoting it or providing the whole piece while connecting it to your character and their destiny. So if you are doing a blog or a vlog, for the blog, we'd ask you to include a few pictures in your blog. Or if you're going to do a vlog, we'd like you to include songs in your vlog. So these blog and vlog posts should further develop the characterization of the minor character, and it will help to enhance our understanding of him or her, whichever character you choose. So within our blog and vlog, we've been dealing a lot with conflict, and we'd like you to include conflict within your blog and vlog. Maybe focus on how it affects the character's feelings and emotions during the time of conflict, or just expressing what they did and how they went through it. For this, we'd also like you to include point of view and focus on how it contributes to our understanding of each character and what happens to these characters before and or after the novel. This is completely up to you. So you can choose a minor character and explore and create the life that they had after the novel. Maybe looking at Hannah Winter and her life, or the lawyer, his life. You get the total option, and it's all your creativity. And it's going to show us your understanding of that character through that exploration in the blog or vlog post. Now, along with this project and all the other projects, you will be creating a short essay that answers our essential questions. So we've been exploring destiny throughout this project. And for your short essay, you're going to explore to what extent do we control or create our own destiny. So how do you view destiny? Have your opinions about destiny changed since reading and finishing the novel? An example of that would be Natasha. Her opinions and understanding of destiny has changed since the beginning of the novel. How has this affected you? How has this change affected you? So use the novel to analyze and discuss your views on destiny, and compare or contrast your views with others in the novel. Again, like Natasha's view, or maybe you have more of a Daniel view. Maybe you believe in destiny and have since before reading this novel, and maybe this novel helped attributed to that belief. So for this essay, we need you to provide and cite 5 pieces of textual evidence. So this is not the typical 3 to 5. We are going to need 5 pieces of textual evidence from the novel to support your claim about destiny. So remember to use that sandwich method that we've been working on. You guys have been doing such a great job with it. Just remember to piece that together in that way. And then discuss how your blog or vlog contributes to this concept of destiny. What does your project tell us or show us about Destiny? How does it reflect your views? And or how does it reflect a character's views? So exploring Destiny more through the eyes of the character and through the eyes of yourself. So your response in total is a minimum of 500 words, and remember, it's with 5 pieces of evidence. So this is the blog vlog option. You can choose either a blog or a vlog, and it's going to be awesome. I can't wait. We both can't wait to see what you're going to do. It's going to be so exciting, and we can't wait to see you guys present it to us. Thank you so much.